Diamond 145 is a product of the elegant yet stylish designing by Giorgio M. Cassetta and Achille Salvagni. The huge fiberglass hull sides accentuate the yacht's length, giving it an elongated appearance, while the teak steel and glass bestow unprecedented sophistication. The yacht is designed in a way that blurs the lines between us and the nature, with every space on the boat made with comfortable sofas, dining tables and sunbathing areas. The spacious 102 square metres sun deck and the foredeck pool are some of the highlights that you simply can't miss. This majestic boat can host 10 guests and a crew of 8, plus the captain. The lower deck has 5 stunning and spacious cabins, while the upper deck has the captain's cabin. The master suite covers about 60 metres in the bow of the main deck. A private bathroom, walk-in wardrobe and office area further elevate the experience. The interiors are furnished with refined contemporary materials to create a symphony, complementing the waves with a combination of lighter and darker shades of brown, white and grey, burnished brass, various types of wood, marbles, and leathers. Safe to say that Diamond 145 is in a league of its own.